Hey everyone, so recently we have made one change in our production module. So earlier on production module, there was a field, a segment called scrap. Now, as because there are several cases where one raw material is consumed and multiple finished good, multiple kind of finished good is produced. So for that use case, we have named it a scrape and byproduct, and also we have provided the functionality to select the store. Let me show you how it works and how it will be helpful to you. So I will go to all modules, then I will go to production segment. Now this is my all production process. This is one of my process which I have planned. I will open it. After opening it, please check. I will go below. Here are two of my scrap or slash byproducts available. So please check. We have changed the name as well. Scrape slash byproduct. What I will do, I will quickly just go ahead and click on publish. Now after publishing, scroll down, and here once you will click on mark scrape byproducts generated, please check. Here you can update the quantity, and I will simply just go ahead and update the quantity, and from here I can select in which store it should go. So this is how you can manage your scrape slash byproduct as per your requirement. I will not save it as because the RM is not issued yet. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to manage your scrape and byproduct. Have a good day ahead.